Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix can't follow on Instagram. Why can I follow individuals on Instagram? You may be asking. Earlier, everything worked as it should, but suddenly the Instagram follow button is broken. Instagram has a cap on the number of users you can follow. If you follow a lot of accounts quickly, it can temporarily block you for acting like a bot. Additionally, you're limited to 7,500 followers. So, my advice is just follow those people you know and kind of disregard those people you really not that familiar to. Or everything is up to you, but you need to be very careful and you need to act slowly when it comes to following users on Instagram. You're only allowed to follow a certain amount of accounts on Instagram per day or per hour. You can follow up to 7,500 accounts per day and 200 accounts per hour. You can't follow new profiles on Instagram if you already reached the predetermined limit. Wait a day or two, then you can follow more accounts without any problems. Follow those people you know, just like what I'm doing right now. So that's it. The reason why you can't follow someone on Instagram, it's because maybe you have reached the limit on the number of accounts you can follow per day or per hour. Now, another thing is that you can't follow someone on Instagram, it's because your account was hacked. So go to hacked Instagram account, click this one here, and it says if you think your Instagram has been hacked, then you need to follow the instructions here in order for you to retrieve your account and you can start following people on Instagram. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.